Hi everyone, I'm Vinto. Over the past few months, I had received feedback from users about the usage of Web2Touch. It integrates seamlessly with TouchDesigner, allowing for more scalable interactive art. With Web2Touch, users can freely drop the image so interactive with complex digital graphics, making creative interactions on the mobile internet possible. I'm happy to see everyone using my plugins for their creations. Today, I'm excited to introduce the new features of MultiTouch version 0.1.7. Please note that the video is currently developed and tested on 2023 versions. You can find the plugin link below the video. This version provides three main interfaces, two chops and one depth. Firstly, there's the position data interface. Now they support MultiTouch. The second interface is used to detect the currently click state, including click and release state. The first interface provides text descriptions of the component. Expanding for there, we had five main functionalities. 1. This version supports MultiTouch up to 5 figures. You can get more graphic rendering using instancing. That is familiar combo. We can quickly build them. 2. It supports multi-device access. Although I'm only tested on 3 devices so far. If you mean any issues on more devices, please be sure to let me know in the comments. 3. Aspect ratios adaptation. Filling in final resolution needed for rendering in the parameter list, and it will return to the Web2Touch canvas in real time according to the proportion. 4. We had to optimize the track rendering to achieve smoother effect. 5. Clean the canvas. Simply click the button on the top left to clean the chat. Okay, let's see the magic.